CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.2. Summarize basic cable types and their connectors, features, and purposes. Fiber optic network cables. In this video segment, we will discuss the fundamental aspects of fiber optic network cables. These cables are at the forefront of modern networking and are revolutionizing the way data is transmitted across vast distances with unparalleled speed and reliability. Unlike traditional copper cables, which rely on electrical signals to transmit data, fiber optic network cables harness the power of light pulses to convey information. This innovative approach not only ensures faster transmission speeds, but also significantly enhances the efficiency of data transfer processes. By leveraging light signals, fiber optic cables mitigate many of the limitations associated with copper-based counterparts, such as signal degradation and electromagnetic interference, thus offering a superior solution for modern networking needs. Now, let's explore the two main types of fiber optic cables: single-mode fiber and multi-mode fiber. For this, we will start by exploring single-mode fiber, a type of fiber optic cable designed for transmitting a single mode of light through a very small tube known as a core. This method of light transmission results in remarkably lower signal attenuation, allowing for longer distance transmissions with superior bandwidth capabilities. Single-mode fiber stands out as the preferred choice for long-haul telecommunications, where reliability and high-performance data transmission over extensive distances are paramount. It serves as the backbone of intercontinental network infrastructure, seamlessly connecting locations worldwide and facilitating high-speed data transmission applications with unparalleled efficiency and reliability. On the other hand, multimode fiber, as the name suggests, accommodates multiple modes of light propagation simultaneously within its core. This characteristic makes it an ideal choice for short-distance transmissions typically found within buildings or campus environments. With its larger core diameter, multimode fiber facilitates easier alignment of light signals, simplifying installation and making it more cost-effective for shorter distances. It finds widespread use in local area network setups, data centers, and multimedia applications, owing to its affordability and versatility in accommodating various networking needs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.